watching the Global Tales. Welcome back to my channel, and today what we are going to do is a new 7-day challenge targeting your love handles, the most requested and the most amazing workout. So let's quickly get started. Before heading towards the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and yes, let's quickly get started.
Wait, hello everybody. If you follow me on Instagram and on YouTube, you know that I have recently launched 90 days full body transformation planner. If you're looking for weight loss for yourself, then definitely this planner is for you. Along with complete lifestyle change, you get 45 days workout classes with me. Along with that, you also get complete WhatsApp assistance by my team so that all your questions are answered on time. With this 90 days transformation planner, you get some great results at home with some amazing lifestyle changes and get some permanent results so that when you lose weight, you don't get it back again. So yes, what are you waiting for? You can find the link in my description and enroll for this program and get a planner for yourself now.